In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download purchase invoices from Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save a clean copy of your invoice for your records or accounting. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Alibaba. In the results, click the official Alibaba website. This takes you to the home page where you'll want to sign in so your orders are visible. Click the sign in option and log into your account. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt to continue. Once you're in, you'll be on or near the main dashboard. Next, look toward the top navigation bar for the orders icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear as orders or my orders. Click that to open your order list. This page shows your purchases. You can filter by tabs like all orders, processing, or completed to quickly find what you need. Pick the order you want the invoice for, ideally the one that's already paid or completed, since invoices are most reliably available after payment is confirmed. Open that order's detail view, then click View More to expand the full order information. This reveals additional sections such as payment details, logistics, and documents. In the expanded view, look for the download option. It's often labeled Download or Download Invoice and may appear near the payment section or documents area. Click Download. Your browser will either automatically save the file or ask where to save it. Choose a secure folder you use for business records and consider renaming the file to something clear, like the order number and date, so it's easy to find later. Once it's saved, open the file to confirm everything looks correct. Check for the supplier's details, your billing information, the order number, product descriptions, quantities, amounts, currency, and any applicable taxes or shipping fees. If you need a printed copy, you can print directly from your PDF viewer. If you don't see a download button, make sure you're looking at a finalized order rather than a quote or an unpaid checkout. Some invoices appear only after payment is processed, and in some cases, they may be located under a Documents or Files section within the order. If the invoice still isn't available, reach out to the supplier or contact Alibaba support for help. That's it. Search Alibaba, open the site, log in, go to Orders, select your order, click View More, and then hit Download. Save it in a reliable place and you're all set.